Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Binance to Revolut in 2025. So first of all, simply launch your Binance application on your phone, or you can also open binance.com on your web browser. So whichever option you have chose in order to get access to your Binance account, you just have to first of all log in into it. Then tap on the option of assets in the bottom right hand corner. On the overview page, you will see the list of all of the cryptocurrencies which you basically own. When you tap on the option of spot, you can just take a look at the clear view of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account. So among these, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer to your Revolut account. So I'm assuming that you want to send, let's say, Shiba Inu to Revolut. So after selecting the cryptocurrency, simply tap on the option of send here in the bottom. Now between these two options, simply select the option of on-chain withdraw. Now over here you need to provide the address of the cryptocurrency. So this is the address which you are going to get from your Revolut application. So when you launch your Revolut application, you just have to go to the crypto tab. There you will have to search for Shiba Inu, and then when you tap on the option of receive, you will find a deposit address there. So once you get the address, simply just come over here in your Binance account, paste the address here in this address section. Then in the network, you just have to select the network which is relevant to Shiba Inu. It is BSC or Ethereum. So after selecting the network, simply enter the amount of Shiba Inu which you want to basically send, and then you just have to confirm your transaction in Binance. Once the transaction is completed from Binance end, you are going to get your crypto in your Revolut account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.